Hi everyone, my name is Brooke Wilson. I'm a chef and nutritionist, and I'm really thrilled to be joining forces with Banyan Tree Women's Collective again to bring you the Trader Joe's 5-Day Meal Plan Challenge. This is a week-long cooking and meal prep experience, and you will receive a carefully crafted 5-day meal plan with shopping list, with recipes, everything you need to be successful. It's a plan for 2 to 3 people, depending on appetites, and we shot to Trader Joe's for $100. There will be an initial information session via Zoom on Wednesday, September 22nd at 6 p.m. Pacific, and then we will actually start our cooking challenge on Sunday, September 26th. It will go throughout the week, and then we'll have a wrap up via Zoom on Wednesday, October 6th, also at 6 p.m. Pacific. So if you join in the challenge, you will be entered to win a $100 Trader Joe's gift card. So I really hope you join us. Please register below. It's going to be so much fun. See you.